Right, so hey guys, welcome to another video on TechnoRight. So today I'm going to take you a full-on walkthrough on how to install Windows 10 from this installation screen right now you can see on the screen to your very desktop, and how to set it up to make sure it's ready for use by installing the drivers and whatnot. So let's get started as we have a long video to go for. Okay, so for now I'm just going to leave all of this default. Click on next, and I'm going to click install now. So you can get to that screen right after inserting your USB flash drive, and then it will greet you with that screen. So for now we are not going to enter our product key. We can do that after entering Windows. So you just click on I don't have a product key. Okay, here you can choose any version. So for mine I'm going to choose Windows 10 Pro. Click on next, and then accept the license terms. Next, and here a lot of people do mistake. Okay, we're going to click on custom. Okay, and then we have our drive here. Okay, I'm going to click on new. If you have partitions, you're going to delete all of the partitions. Just delete everything and make sure it has only one. Okay, and then click on new. This is very important, and just click on apply. You don't have to change the numbers. And click on OK. So this will create a system reserve, which is very important, as the system reserve will act as a recovery barrier. Okay, so if anything is lost, this recovery file will help you. Okay, so now you just click on partition 2 and just click on next, where the Windows is going to be installed. So this is going to take a while. After this installs, I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, so once everything installing, updates and all finishes up, it will restart your PC, and make sure try to plug out the USB flash drive right after this restarting in 5 seconds ends. So you're just going to plug out, so when it restarts it straight goes to your hard drive. Okay, so now it will say getting ready and just starting the services. So we're just going to let this load. This is also going to take a while, so once it is done I'll get right back to you guys. Okay guys, so once everything finished, it will restart another time, and then it'll load and bring you here. Okay, so from here you're just going to click on your region. Okay, I'm just going to leave it default. Click on yes. Okay, following here you can just select the US keyboard layout, and I'm not going to add another layout, so I'm just going to skip it. Okay guys, so I try not to cut all the parts. I'm trying to fast forward it so you know how long it takes. Okay, so I'm not going to cut any part. This video is going to be long, and I'm just going to fast forward it so you can see what do we go through when installing Windows 10, so you have a feel of it. Okay, so for this I'm just going to set up for personal use. Yes, and then here, since I'm connected to the internet, it says this. If not, it will just take you to a local account. So if you have the screen, just click on here, offline account, and then click on limited experience, and here you can just type in your name, or what do you want your user name to be. So I'm just going to click on user. You can create a password, but I'm not going to. Just click next, and here I'm just not going to bother about this, so not now. Here I want to uncheck everything, okay, because it's just going to take your data from your computer, so I prefer not checking all of this. Then just click on accept. Here you can just customize, but I'm just going to skip, and I'm just going to click on not now, and now Windows will load and bring you to the desktop, so we just wait for it. Okay guys, so we are here. So now you'll be thinking we can straight go to installing applications. No, we have to install the drivers first, because you see Windows is like in a square format, which is not what we want. We want it to be full screen, so for that we need the display driver. So we're just gonna wait a while because the taskbar haven't loaded, right? So we're just gonna wait until the taskbar loads, and then we can start installing drivers. Oh, that's an error. Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm just going to click on the Windows button, since the taskbar is unreachable right at the bottom here. Okay, and then we're going to search for Windows Update. Okay, so it says check for updates. I'm just going to open that, and now you're just going to check for updates. You don't have to go to any website. You don't have to install you don't have to download anything separately. You just go and check for the updates. As you can see, it will pick up every update for Windows 10 and for your hardware. So you just let the update run, and it will ask you to restart. It will let you to install. So make sure you try and download all of the updates as possible. Once it asks you to restart, you restart the computer and then open back Windows Update and check for updates. You're going to do this until the check for updates button, when you click it, it says there's no more update. Okay, so you're going to do it until that. So for now, I'm just going to let it to download just a few updates until the screen becomes 1080p. Okay guys, so it's taking a while right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this run in the background, but make sure to finish this updates. Okay, make sure to finish the updates before you go to the next step. I'm doing this because of time constraint. I don't want this video to be very long, so yeah. Okay, we're going to minimize this, and we're going to open Microsoft Edge. We're going to start without the data, allow, confirm, continue without this data, start browsing, close the first screen, and here you're going to type in TechnoRight. Okay, you're going to go TechnoRight, first link. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to download all the apps you need. So I'm going to download all this. Mine is 64-bit version, so I'm just going to download all of this. If you need Steam, you can download Steam. If you need Python, you can download Python. Just whatever you want. You can need Handbrake, you can download Handbrake, go down VIC, Discord, Zoom. You can just check all of this, whatever applications you want. Okay, and then once you checked everything, just click on get your TechnoRight, and it will download a small installer right here. So once you run this, you can see it's preparing, so just click on yes, close this, and you can see it will download everything for you all together. You don't have to go to separate websites to download. And basically, yeah, so that's how to do that. And another thing is, we're going to click on the start button here and search for activation. Okay, Windows Update is lagging the computer a bit. Give it some time. Okay, so for now, since we haven't entered the product key, there's no product key, so we are just going to click here, change product key, and you're going to enter your product key here, and then you're going to click on next, and it will try to activate your account, and your account will be activated. And basically that's about it, guys. You can start using your computer after all those steps. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put down in the comments below. And I think that's about for this video. So thanks for watching, people.